in USA. If you are just starting the process of shopping for life insurance, you may be feeling a little overwhelmed. Thinking about your priorities can help set you on the right track. The main factors to consider when shopping for life insurance include what kind of policy is best for you, how much coverage you need, and why, what life insurance company to use, and how life insurance will further your overall financial strategy. These are big questions, but this guide will help you with each of them. To purchase a life insurance policy, follow these 8 steps. Decide if you need life insurance. Determine which type of life insurance is right for you. Decide how much life insurance you need. Select a life insurance policy. Choose a life insurance company. Find the right life insurance agent or broker. Choose the right life insurance rider. Purchase your life insurance policy. Decide if you need life insurance. The first thing to consider life when shopping for life insurance is whether you need it in the first place. Life insurance is primarily designed to provide financially for your dependents after you die, although it also can be used for things such as benefiting a charity or keeping a business going. If one of the key employees dies, if none of these relationless applies to you, there's a good chance you don't life insurance and would be better off investing your money elsewhere. Determining which type of life insurance is right for you. If you decide you need life insurance, the next step is to choose what type of policy is best for you. The main type of life insurance are term life insurance. Term life policies provide affordable coverage for a specific death benefit over a predetermined period such as 10, 15, 20 or 30 years. It can be a smart choice for certain customers like partners who wants to insure their. However, once the term is completely the policy the particular instead of starting over from scratch, many life insurance companies offer the option to convert a term policy to permanent one such as whole life or universal life policy. The cost and terms of these options vary by company and policy, and they are worth taking the time to discuss with a financial advisor before purchasing a new term life insurance. A category a category of coverage that includes whole life and universal life. These types of life insurance are in a in particular life insurance in particular term permanent life insurance policies accumulate cash value over time. With a policy that accumulates cash value, a portion of your premium growth tax deferred. Some companies accumulate cash value. A portion of your premium growth tax deferred. Some companies offer different investment options to help cash value grow faster, but this approach often carries financial risk. The upshot is that not all policies will accumulate cash value at the same rate. The advantages of cash value are that you can take out loans or make partial withdrawals against your policy, and you may be able to use the cash value to cover premiums. However, you can take out loans to make partial withdrawals against your policy. You may be able to use the cash value to cover premiums. However, these options can significantly reduce your death benefit if you die before the cash value is replenished. A policy with cash value generally will cost more for the some coverage than a policy without cash value, but if you plan to take advantage of the benefit, it may be worth extra expense. For more information about cash value, to see our how does life insurance work. Whole life is permanent. Coverage with consistent premium and guaranteed accumulation of cash value. This policy may be eligible for vendors from a mutual company and typically exists. Whole life insurance is both predictable, flexible, and reasonable. It can be confusing.